Salutations, ladies and gentlemen. We are back in another video. First off, we're gonna give a shout out to the camera woman, my girlfriend Katie. Say hi, Katie.
Hi, Katie.
Anyways, y'all, we're back in another video, and what a way to start a vlog back into the channel, unboxing this puppy, my brand new gaming laptop that I've been waiting for so long. This is the Asus ROG Strix Scar 18. This is the 5090 version, so this got, we'll talk about some basic specs and then I won't bore y'all with the rest, but pretty much it has an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, 275HX, I believe it is, RTX 5090 graphics card, 32 gigs of RAM, you can upgrade that, it's 2 terabytes of storage, you can upgrade that, 2.5K mini LED display. Like it's the most banging of banging laptops you will ever see. You can pick this up online for a whopping $4,500 US before tax, but it's okay. They will probably go lower later. Anyways, guys, here's the laptop. We're just gonna unbox this puppy real quick. I got my handy dandy knife here that I was holding the wrong way. There we go. All right, so we're gonna be unboxing this puppy, and I'll be giving y'all like my raw reaction. So we'll leave that open just in case. But here it is right here. This thing is heavy, yo. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, this thing was pretty heavy. The box looks pretty cool. Let me do a little box inspection here. It says Strix, ROG Strix Scar on the front. That's kind of cool, like, kind of cool, I guess. And then on the back it says, "Game on, gamers," whatever that means. Anyway, we cut the seal. We're gonna open this puppy and see how the presentation is. Is that showing in frame?
Yes,
okay,
it is.
cool. Anyway, did I forget any specs? I don't think so. All right, without further ado, we're gonna crack this puppy open. Yo, it's like uplifting. It's uplifting. All right, uplifted the laptop. Look at that. Hold up. Go back down. Hold up. Look at that thing just rise, bro. Yeah. Oh my god. That's pretty fire. What do you have to say for this, Katie?
I think that's pretty cool because I've never seen a thing do that.
All right, let's see what it says in here. ROG Strix, and it just has a bunch of like features of the laptop. This laptop has that like anime vision on the back that they had on the Zephyr series. Look, this thing's gonna be RGB'd out. Like, I'm kind of excited to turn it on and see how it is. We'll probably turn off the lights at some point in this video so y'all can see the RGB on this thing. Anyway, that's the panel here. But let's take out this laptop. Set it right there. Okay, let's see what else we have in the box here. We have this little box that says, "For those who dare." Asus, there better be stickers in here.
I hate the stickers.
Katie, you better have not eaten the stickers. All right, so warranty information, we don't care about that. We don't care about this either. And Katie was right, she ate the stickers. So no stickers in this puppy. Let's see what else is in here. So if we take this thing off, I don't think I'm supposed to take that off. This I'm supposed to take off. Okay, so here we got the charger. Here's the wire part. This is a pretty fat charger. This is a 380 watt brick. This thing is pretty beefy. We got a proprietary port here because, let's be real, 380 watts is not going through USB-C. Anyway, we're gonna set that to the side. It looks like there's another side we can open here. Maybe there's stickers on this side. What a waste of space. There's literally like nothing in here. Anyway.
Ooh, no stickers.
Asus, I'm disappointed. Anyways, guys, we're gonna set this box to the side and kind of look at the star of the show here. So here it is. We got kind of like a little sticker on the front. Kind of talking about the display stuff. So this is a mini LED display. This thing gets pretty bright. I'm pretty sure it's like 1100 nits or something like that. But yeah, that's a pretty good look at the laptop. I'm just gonna unbuckle this thing over here. There we go. Okay. All right. This thing is sealed up. Crack this puppy open. All right, cool. I'm pretty sure Asus has that like safety thing that's turned on, like when you buy the laptops, like where it won't power on unless you have the power adapter plugged in for the first time. So we are probably gonna have to plug this puppy in. So I'm gonna like plug this in and we will catch you guys in a jiffy. Yeah, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, so we back in. I plugged the charger in. Oh wait, we gotta do the little peel. Hold up. This is not satisfying. All right, there we go. Ooh. Peel is off. This thing entirely is wrapped. First things first, this puppy's kind of heavy. I think this thing weighs like 8 pounds. It's an 18-inch gaming laptop, so this thing's a behemoth. I can't wait to go in Starbucks and use this thing and use it for homework, because, Mom, I totally need this for school. Let's crack the seal open. So on the bottom of the laptop, it says ROG Strix. Yo, this design is crazy. I'll kind of tilt it to you guys, but it says ROG Strix here. And the cool thing about this laptop, I won't open it right now, but this is the only laptop, I'm pretty sure, on the market that you can access the laptop without any screws. So there's this little latch thing, you push the latch, and this thing backplate like pops off, and you can upgrade the RAM and SSD and like storage or whatever without any use of screwdrivers. So upgradability, like Asus, like y'all better be taking notes, bruh. All you other gaming laptop manufacturers. All right, without further ado, dang, this thing's low-key heavy. And then, so here's the laptop itself. I'm going to open this thing up. Hold on, wait, let's do that one finger lift. All right. So we got the keyboard cover here. We're gonna peel this thing off. And here is this puppy in action. Yo, this thing is huge. So we got a whole number pad, big trackpad, 18-inch screen. This thing looks cool. And now for like kind of like a size comparison for you Mac users, this is a 16-inch MacBook Pro. That's already a big laptop. This thing is huge. Like, I think if you stack two of these, that would match the equivalence in like thickness. Like, this is a thick laptop. But with that power, you need thickness. So I kind of understand here. We are gonna plug in our charger, and then we're gonna boot this puppy up here. I'm probably gonna have to turn it around so y'all could see it. Let's turn this puppy around. All right. How's she looking, hon?
Very good.
All right, we're gonna power this thing on.
Yeah.
There goes the lights. Damn, son! Okay, hold on. I'm gonna turn off the lights real quick, so we kind of get a look how this looks like with all the lights and stuff. Okay, so here she is. The entire bottom of the laptop has a 360-degree like glow. The keyboard lights up. Yo, this is actually sick. Hold on. So there's a 360-degree glow on the bottom of the laptop. And then on the back, the logo lights up, and then we have that like anime Strix thing on the back where it like displays text or whatever you want. So overall, this is a pretty banging laptop. Yeah, guys. Let me turn on the lights real quick because I'm scared of the dark. All right, y'all. There's the Windows screen. Yeah, that kind of wraps up this video. Just wanted to do a quick little opening and first impressions of this laptop. Yeah, you will probably see this in a majority of my videos because this is gonna be my primary laptop. But yeah, super hyped for this. I've been waiting a while. Let me know in the comments down below what laptop are y'all rocking. Are you planning on getting the 50 series laptops? If you're curious, I'll leave a link in the description to purchase laptop at Best Buy. I think they're kind of sold out right now, so you might have to wait a bit, but it's a dope laptop. But yeah, let me know if you want a like review down the line after me using this for a while and dailying it. But that's gonna pretty much wrap up this video. Shout out again to my lovely girlfriend back there, Katie, for recording her first YouTube video. But yeah, that's gonna wrap this video up, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.